Alright, y'all, so real quick, I'm gonna get the wife in here. I'm gonna have her open this box. She think it's for me, but it's for her. Let's go. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Come here. Sit down. Okay. Sit right there. Sit down, all the way. Appreciate. Sit right there. I feel to sit in that chair.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
What you got in front of you?
I'm supposed to open this?
You need a knife?
No, not like you.
Here.
Well, do you need me to hurry up?
I think you need a knife.
I don't. I'm gonna put tape on this though. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Lorena Bobbitt.
Tape this. You want me to be Lorena Bobbitt? I wouldn't use that reference, not in this.
Man, that thing rap.
See that?
Patience.
Okay, what is this?
Alright, show the people the box.
Okay. Do I need to look at the box first?
Just show them the box. You look at it, but show them.
Well, I didn't look at it yet, so here's the box. Can I look in it now?
Yeah, go ahead, look at it. No, don't look at the tag. Just open it.
You just,
open it.
So I can't see what
No,
it is.
just open it.
That's what I just said. Can I look at it?
I just want to see your opinion
well,
on it.
I gotta
right
turn it this way.
Right there. Boom, boom. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, go ahead. Go open that paper up.
Wait a minute.
Shout out to D-Reed.
D-Reed got these?
Shout out to D-Reed. Go and pull up here and let people see them.
How did you, wait, well let me look at them first. Like, I'm not concerned with them. I'm concerned with myself. No way. When did you get, first of all, how did you get these without me knowing them? That's the question of the day. Okay, so.
Can you put it up
All
in
right,
the camera?
fine,
Let me turn around so you can see. Yes, sir. What's the name of them?
The bacon.
What model?
Air Max 90s.
Air Max 90. Bacon on them boys. Hey, let's go. Let's get to this review. Let's go.
You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop. Cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic. No synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew. Never slack on the brew. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. Technology.
Alright, y'all. So y'all see what it is. We got the Air Max 90 bacon things, boy. These things are super fresh. So what we're gonna do real quick, she really don't want to, but she gonna do it. I'm gonna let her explain them though, and she probably gonna do better than me. But before we do all that, man, make sure you guys hit that like button, man, for your boy and your boy girl. You know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, man, and also turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime we drop or I drop any video, man. I appreciate you guys pulling through. Thank you guys allowing me to use my platform to bring glory and honor to Christ. With all that being said, let's get up close and personal with these things. Where the eggs at though?
The reason why I like the shoe, first and foremost, I am not a sneakerhead. I am not like technology. And he is all about sneakers, but I like the Air Maxes. That's one of the shoes. If you were to get me a shoe, I would like the Air Max. And I specifically like this Air Max's colorway. I liked the pinks, I like the browns. Amore's Nursery was pink and brown, so this just goes with it. But the pop of red with it is really nice. I did not know that it was gonna come with these shoelaces here, this color, or this color. And I specifically like that I can interchange them because I would rock all three of them. So I hope whoever else got this sneaker is just as excited as I am about rocking these. I can't wait to put them on my feet. And yeah, I think Jeremy's gonna end this video now, but thank you.
Shout out to the wifey for that great review. You wanna know why it was great? Because she showed us her genuine thoughts about why she liked the sneaker. Y'all know I'm gonna go in depth with it on another review, but I just wanted you guys to actually see her opening this sneaker up, unboxing it. She is not a sneakerhead by any means. She know how to rock them, but you know, that's my lane. But whenever she says she wants something, a shout out to D-Reed. I'm gonna put her website down in my description section for all pre-orders and stuff like that. She can help you get some sneakers. But yeah, man, y'all let me know down there in that comment section. The Air Max 90 Bacons, bro. Such a dope shoe, an iconic sneaker. I'm definitely glad that they brought this sneaker back to us, and I'm definitely glad that I was able to put it in my wife's closet. You feel me? Now let's go ahead and do this on feet. Well, she gonna do this on feet because they boy can't fit this. Hey, rock what you like now. What's hype? Wash them hands, man, and remember the shoes that she talk about on here. This one, just bait. I'll wait for us to share our faith. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
God's great for the brother that trying to get clean. Know that I'm alive, but it feel like a dream. Tell them I am when they tell me I ain't. Battle with sin, so I know that I'm a saint. Tell me I'm alive, what lie I told. Put me in the fire, came out like gold. Cows go to hell, man, and I don't wanna go. Better know the enemy plotting on your soul. Put me in the hood and I learn how to thug. Put me in the church and I learn how to love. Hit me with the word, I was like, oh yeah. I ain't never heard nothing like that there. Playing on the curb, I was not committed. Get baptized, I was like, I'm with it. I was so scared, but I couldn't sit still. Wanna go to hell, I was like, no deal. Wanna go to heaven, I'm like, of course. Tell me the truth, do not distort. Play by the rules, wanna be a good sport. I don't wanna lose, I don't wanna get torched. Brother got a tool and he bustin' in the alley. Acting like a fool, he was waiting for a challenge. But I praise in the Lord, it's a little pep rally. Gonna keep that sword when I walk through the valley. Who serve? I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke. In the front of the neighborhood, I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke. In the front of the neighborhood, I'm flying. I feel like I'm flying, I'm so high. I'm flying. I feel like I'm flying, man.